Shop Z is investing 10 million to open 5 outlets in Northern Province, expecting 3 million annual cash inflow for 4 years. Terminal value after year 4 is 2 million. Shop Z has approached you for investment consultation to guide the investment decision making process and need advice on the following. So part A, how long will it take for Shop Z to recover its investment? So here, this question is dealing with investment appraisal or capital budgeting. Capital budgeting is all about deciding what the company is going to invest in and to see if the investments are worthwhile or not. So part 1 is talk about the payback period. The payback period is an investment appraisal technique where you want to find out how long it will take you to get your money back. Okay, colleagues? Payback period is used to evaluate how long will it take for you to get your money back. Okay, so this is how you do the payback period. Okay, you make 3 columns here: your years, the annual cash flow, and the cumulative cash flow. Okay, so year 0, which is the first day of year 1, you're paying this 10 million. That's why it's represented as a negative value. Okay, when it's in brackets, it's a negative value. Okay, so year 0, first day of year 1, cash flow, you put negative 10 million, meaning you have paid out that money. So on the cumulative cash flow, you're going to put negative 10 million. Okay. Year 1, the first cash flow, 3 million. This is how much you receive in year 1. Okay, so you're going to say negative 10 million plus 3 million. You're going to get negative 7 million. You go to year 2, you put in another 3 million. Then you're going to say negative 7 million plus 3 million. You get negative 4 million. Year 3, you put again 3 million here. So you're going to say negative 4 million plus 3 million. You get negative 1 million. Then you go to year 4. Colleagues, do you know why I've put 5 million here instead of 3 million? In the question, they told us the terminal value at the end of year 4 is going to be 2 million. Terminal value is just how much the investment is worth after a specific time period. Okay? So in year 4, you're receiving a cash flow of 3 million. And you've also got this terminal value of 2 million. So you add 3 plus 2 million, that is 5 million. Okay? So you're going to say negative 1 million plus 5 million, you get positive 4 million. Now, with this payback period, you want to know the year when the cumulative cash flow is going to be 0. Okay, so here we know it's between year 3 and year 4. That's when we've got our money back. But want to be specific. Okay, want to be more specific. Which year did we actually get our money back? Okay, so to be more specific, all right, what you're going to do, okay, you're going to get this negative cash flow, and this you make it a fraction over this one. Okay, 1 million over 5 million. Okay, and then we're going to add it to 3 years, because between 3 or 4 years we get our money back. So we can't say year 4. We can only use year 3, because between year 3 and 4, that's when we got our money back. So we're going to say 3 years plus 1 million over 5 million. You get 0.2. Then say 3 plus 0.2, you get 3.2 years. If you want to be more, if you want to get it in months, you just say this 0.2 times 12 months. What is 0.2 times 12? 0.2 times 12. 3 years and 2.4 months basic. That's when you get our money back. In 3 years, 2.4 months. Yes, colleagues. You can either leave it as 3.2 years, or you can put it like this. Any questions?
Sir, on number 4, where did you get that 5 million again?
The cash flow of 3 million and this terminal value. The terminal value which was given in the question. This 2 million here. So they say after year 4. Now this is a mistake where a lot of people make, They've said in that question after year 4, and you're going to be tempted to put year 5. Please do not put year 5. You just assume the end of the year of year 4. That's why we've put the terminal value in there, year 4. Don't put a year 5, colleagues, please. Okay. When you hear a terminal value in a question, just assume it's at the end of the last year. So, madam, that's how I got the 5 million. This terminal value plus this inflow for year 4. Any other questions?
Pardon me, sir. So the terminal value which is 2 million, you added it to the 3 million
Yes.
in year 2.
In year 4, yes. So that's how you do payback period. Okay, you just add, basically all these values, we're just adding it to this 10 million. Okay, so you stop where either you get a 0 or where you get a positive value, because it means now there you have recouped your money. So we saw this became positive here in year 4. Okay, but want to know exactly when did we actually get our money. Okay, when did we break even? That's what you're trying to find out. When do you break even? So to find out where you break even, just remember this. Just get the last negative cash flow and put it over the cash flow for the year that has a positive value, so that you make a fraction like this. Then you just add, so that you find specifically when did you break even.